In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Outlook 2016 on Office 365, particularly if you're working on a Windows 10 system. If you're a beginner or need to brush up on the basics, you've come to the right place. Let's dive right in. First, you're going to need to open Outlook. You can do this by either launching the app from your desktop or by navigating to outlook.office.com in your web browser. Once you've opened Outlook, the next step is to sign in using your Microsoft 365 account. Make sure that you have your login credentials handy, as you'll need them to access the full set of features that Outlook offers. Now that you're signed in, let's move on to sending an email. You'll want to look for the New Mail button, which is usually prominently displayed at the top of the screen. Clicking on this will open a new email window. Here, you're going to type in the recipient's email address in the To field, add a subject in the subject line, and then compose your message in the main body of the email. Once you're satisfied with your message, click on Send. It's as simple as that to get your communications out to the people who need them. Next, managing your inbox is key to keeping your workflow smooth. To read an email, simply click on the message in your inbox. Once you've read it, Outlook provides several options such as reply, forward, or delete. These buttons help you to respond to the sender, share the message with someone else, or clear it from your inbox, respectively. To keep everything organized, you can use folders. Right-click within the folder pane on the left side of the screen to create new folders. This helps to categorize emails in a way that makes sense to you, ensuring that you can quickly find important messages as needed. For managing appointments and meetings, navigate to the Calendar section. Here, you can effortlessly add new events or schedule meetings. Simply select the New Event button, fill in the necessary details, and invite your contacts. This function is particularly useful for keeping track of your personal and professional schedules in one convenient place. The People section is where you can add contacts. Having a well-maintained contact list ensures that you have all the information you need at your fingertips, making communication that much easier. Lastly, if you're ever searching for specific emails or information contained within an email, make good use of the search bar. It's an efficient way to find exactly what you need without wasting time manually sifting through countless emails. And there you have it, a complete guide to getting started with Microsoft Outlook 2016 on Office 365. These tools are designed to make your life simpler, so dive in and explore everything Outlook has to offer.